The goal of this brief tutorial on bill tracking is to demonstrate how you can track bills as they progress through the Illinois General Assembly. Thousands of bills are introduced each legislative session. Understanding the basic methods of tracking allows you to become knowledgeable of proposed bills so that you can have your voice heard at key stages through the use of witness slips, contact with bill sponsors, and your state representatives. The easiest way to track bills is to go to lwvil.org. When you click on Take Action located in the heading banner, you will be taken to a page that lists bills related to league positions. At the Illinois General Assembly website, you are able to track bills in a number of ways. If you already know the bill number that you are interested in, you simply enter the House of Origin and the bill number in the search box located on the left of the Illinois General Assembly homepage, and then click Go. For example, HB 2000 would indicate the bill originated in the House. A bill numbered SB 2000 would indicate the bill originated in the Senate. Your bill number search will result in your being able to view the sponsors of the bill, a synopsis, and all actions taken by the General Assembly up to the date of your search. Another way to search is by topic using a keyword search. For example, if you wanted to know what new laws were being proposed regarding parks, you would enter parks into the keywords search box and select Go. A list of legislation will be created that includes the keywords that you entered. You will want to review the list and note the bill numbers that you would like to follow. You also have the ability to further refine your search by using the advanced search function to obtain more focused results. The easiest way to follow multiple bills during a legislative session is to establish a My Legislation account. Access to My Legislation is located on the ILGA homepage. You will be asked to create a legislative profile that is actually helpful for tracking bills, but also helpful for filling out witness slips. Once you have completed your legislative profile, click Done, and you can begin to add bills that you would like to track by clicking on Add Bills. Add Bills allows you to create a list of all proposed legislation related to an area of interest. By default, the current assembly is selected for you. You are able to create multiple lists in your My Legislation account. Perhaps you want to keep a list of proposed legislation for elections and another for education. To select an already created list, click the drop-down arrow in the My Bills field. In the My Bills title field, enter a name to identify a new bill list. By default, the regular session is chosen for you. To select legislation type, use the drop-down arrow to select House Bill or Senate Bill. Once you have selected either the House Bill or Senate Bill from the legislation type window, you only need to enter the number of all the bills you wish to track, separated by commas. In the example on the left, sample has been entered into the My Bills title. House Bill has been chosen from the legislative type drop-down menu, and only House Bill numbers are entered separated by commas. To enter Senate bills on the same topic, you can see the example on the right. Senate bill from the legislative type drop-down menu has been selected, and bill numbers separated by commas have been entered. Be sure to save each time you enter bill numbers and legislative type. After creating your bill lists you wish to track, you can access them by clicking on View and using My Legislation drop-down menu to navigate to the list you wish to view. Select Preview and a report will be displayed that lists the latest action taken by the legislature for the bills you are tracking. You may need to configure your computer settings to allow for pop-up windows to view the report. By clicking on Report Options, you can configure the report to include more detail, such as synopsis of the bill and all the committee actions to date for each bill on your list. The Edit function allows you to delete bills, add comments, copy, export, or move the bill list to a new file. Another function available on My Legislation allows you to establish a query. A query is an inquiry or search of the bill status system. You can create a query setting the criteria by using the scroll bars and directional arrows. Preview your query and then save. Remember to see the preview. You will have to enable pop-ups on your computer. An ILCS query would be used to search existing state statutes. The Reports function in My Legislation gives you access to a vast amount of information regarding the General Assembly. Reports are posted daily regarding all bills, bills that have advanced out of committee, bills that have advanced to the governor, and even the status of all bills each day. A user manual for My Legislation is available by just clicking on Help. Or you can reach out to the Issues and Advocacy Committee, whose members will be more than happy to help you over the learning curve and have you join them in education and advocacy over important issues.